how to find new followers, notifications, settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find new followers, notifications, settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings and click notifications. Now here you will find this one, new followers. All you need to do is just if you want to turn it off, click on it and you can turn it on again just by one click, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.